Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you what I packed in these Operation Christmas Child boxes, and this is for the age range of a 2 to 4-year-old, and I packed a box for a girl and for a boy. So if you're looking for any ideas, hopefully you find this to be helpful. So the first box that I'll be showing you is the girl box, and this is just a little overview. So the first item in the box is this cute bell doll, and it's really nice and soft. And then next is this pony. And then there are two balls, so a soft one and then just a tennis ball. And then some Play-Doh. And then some hair scrunchies. And then this llama notebook. It's a really cute design. And then a pencil case, and inside are some pencils. And then a bar of soap. And then some socks and underwear, and I always make sure to pack it in the biggest size in the age category. And then this really cute top, it's in the shape of a heart and it says love and XO. And then with this top, it matches very nicely with these leggings. And then I also included this little top. It has some flowers on there and it's nice and sparkly. And then there's a toothbrush. And then some markers as well as crayons. And then some flashcards. A washcloth. And then this is an activity book. And then this is just some coloring pages and some stickers. And the last thing that I included is a Christmas card, and I printed out a picture of me and my family. So here's a quick overview of inside of the box, and the first thing included is a notebook, and then a pencil case, and inside are some pencils, and a ball, some Play-Doh, a toothbrush, a bar of soap, and a washcloth. And then there's this really cute tiger. And then this Despicable Me train. And this is just a soccer pen. And then this toy, it's basically kind of like a musical instrument. And then some underwear. And socks, and I always make sure to pack any clothing, socks, or any t-shirts in the biggest size in the age category. And this is just a t-shirt and it says game day. It's nice and sporty. And then some markers, flashcards. This is a little Franklin book. Some crayons, and then some instructions for, I guess, this little toy here, some stickers as well, and last but not least, a Christmas card, and I also included a picture of my family and myself. And that's everything that's inside of the box. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.